They're two, they're four, they're six, they're eight. 19 trucks and hauling freight. In green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew. All the different roles to play. Down the hills and round the bend, Thomas and his friend. Thomas, he's the cheeky one. Seems his vain, but lots of fun. Cersei blew the mail on time. Gordon thunders down the line. She really knows her stuff. Reads hooks and puffs and huffs. I'm recording this one too.
Mhm.
Ha ha ha. Two trucks and hauling freight. They're in green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew. The different roles to play. On the hills and round the bend, Thomas and his